How to log in Bybit with Passkey. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are on Bybit and want to log in using a passkey, then first of all make sure that you have enabled the passkey in your Bybit app. Then launch open the Bybit application, and once you see this welcome screen or the login page, you will see the login with passkey option. Just tap on it. And if you've enabled Passkey, you'll see this kind of an interface. Tap on the Use Passkey option and scan your Face ID or your fingerprint, depending upon your device's type, and you'll be signed into your Bybit account without having to enter your password. And that's it. You've successfully logged into Bybit using a passkey. It is a fast, convenient, and secure way to access your account while reducing the need to enter your password. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.